All right, you see any water on it?
Yeah, I see water on this wood.
What about the pipe?
Hello. It's over here. I got it.
You got it?
Whatever right here.
Huh?
Whatever's right here. You see me?
Where you at?
Over here.
Okay, I see.
In front of the light.
Okay, I see it.
Okay, you see it?
Yeah. Yeah, I see you.
All right, it's all this. That's what that is.
What, the water?
Yeah, it's leaking bad.
What, it got a split in the pipe or something?
Let me go up in there. I don't even see a pipe.
Where's the pipe going?
I'm trying to see.
Yeah, we're looking for the pipe.
Okay. Now, the half inch is going into the house. It's going into the floor, going upstairs.
Right, is any of that leaking?
No, sir. No.
Oh, there's something else then.
Yeah.
Okay. As long as what we attached to is going up into the house.
Yeah, it's going into the house.
Okay, we're good.
All right.
Okay, come on back here.
All right.
Now we still have to check this one. We're going to go upstairs for that. Alright, we gotta go see what's up with that one there.
This one
Getting water coming down. Okay.